Welcome to Quest Tools 07. Let's explore the features this set has to offer. Achieve the beautiful aesthetic of film combined with the flexibility and convenience of a digital workflow. These Filmic border presets push the boundary of what's possible within Lightroom, faithfully replicating the borders, sprocket holes, light leaks, and dust reminiscent of film scans. Each border is offered in a horizontal and vertical version, alongside black and white versions for monochromatic images. These presets are resource intensive due to the complexity of the hand-drawn elements, so be sure to follow Adobe's guidelines to optimize the performance of Lightroom.